Phones from the 2010s. The 2010s was pretty much like the golden era of the smartphone. Basically, everyone was trying to improve what they could with it, and we kind of just plateaued. We kind of reached the peak of what we could do with the smartphone. All we can really do is just get a better screen on these ones, maybe add another camera. But this is when the smartphone was really starting to get good. Steve Jobs introduced the iPhone 4 in 2010, and man, was it special. Seeing that it leaked in a Gizmodo article, it was pretty much a really big deal of how much the design has changed from the previous generation. The iPhone 4 was the first phone to have a front-facing camera, which means not only could you take pictures of what you wanted to look at this way, but now you can take pictures of yourself without having to turn your phone around. See, now in the camera app you had a little turn icon. It's shipped with iOS 4.0 and it could be updated to iOS 7.1.2, giving it 4 years of software support. I don't have it connected to Wi-Fi because I don't want the software update to apply, you know? iOS 6 on a CDMA iPhone 4 is pretty dang rare. I do, however, have this. This is a 16GB CDMA iPhone 4, but it's already on iOS 7. This was the last iPhone to need it to be plugged into a computer for you to set it up with iOS 4. Starting with iOS 5, you didn't need a computer to set up your iPhone. What you needed was a valid SIM card. Unfortunately, the iTunes Store and App Store no longer work on phones with iOS 6 and below. They work on iOS 7 and over. The iPhone 4 is actually pretty customizable and has a really fun feature. You want to know what it is? Removable and swappable back plates. Observe. This is a really popular iPhone model. Even the 4S was pretty popular for doing that as well. This is a pretty popular iPhone model to do that with. I've seen blue skins, red skins, yellow skins, so on and so on. And when people would crack their iPhone 4s, especially the white ones, people would color in the cracks so that it would look pretty. So what are my thoughts on the iPhone 4? Well, obviously you can't use it as a main phone. It's 14 years old. Not to mention that 3G networking has been down since 2022. So as long as you're on Wi-Fi, you can text people, FaceTime people, and email people. Just like I said with the iPhone 3G video, it's literally just an iPod Touch. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you give it a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.